We are boys and girls. This is the aftermath of Hurricane Irene. We're starting with the backyard this time for a change. This is our screen door started caving in from the outside pressure. That's about where the water line was on the outside of the house, halfway up the windows. It's our grill. Tipped over. There's a tar bucket that floated in to our yard and exploded. Our fence caving in. Our fence caving in over there. Neighbor's fence caving in. Actually, wait, let's take a look in here. Oh, sorry. Yeah, punching bag, done. Bikes, they might make it. There's my compressor and snowblower, elliptical, my lawnmower. Yeah, I actually had the compressor and the lawnmower up on this little platform I built. Yeah, I figured it was going to be high enough. And no, sorry, get nothing. There's my fence. This is where the fire department parked their boat when they pulled us out from 5 feet of water in the house, and raging currents through the front and backyard. There's a toolbox from someone's truck bed that washed up in my yard. There's a piece of my flooring in my outside tree. Someone's screen. Garbage cans. Someone's grill. My neighbor's fence caved in. Or is that my fence? That might be my fence. Well, does it really make a difference? No, it doesn't. It's the side of the house. Water level on here was probably to about here, I'd say. Yeah, if we look at the front windows, you can see where the water line was. Right there, about halfway up the window. Okay, let's take a look inside. This is my living room. There's my 46-inch TV, my couch, love seat, dresser from my bedroom, coffee table, nice couple inches of sludge. Here you can see the paint melting off my wall. And just for the record, our contractors finished fixing this place up probably about a month and a half ago, and yeah, look at it now. It's worse than it's ever been. The whole place is going to get gutted. Hopefully they just decide to bulldoze it so I never have to come back here again. Yeah, take a look. There's the water line. That's where the water line was. Got into the electrical panel. Unfortunately, it didn't cause a big enough spark to burn the house down. My bathroom, it's all dark in there, can't really see much. But anyway, it's pretty much looks the same as the rest of the house, just totally trashed. It's my back room slash office, which we never even finished completely. So we were still putting some finishing touches before we were gonna set it up as our office, but no, sorry, no, you get nothing. It's my cat's perch that we just bought him. Trashed, like everything else. Here's my $400 miter saw, which, you know, normally in a normal flood situation this would have been raised up high enough, but no, sorry. You get nothing. You're not allowed to have saws or tools in your toolbox or electronic equipment. Backup UPS now, sorry, can't have that. Oh yes, this is my bed, which was our wedding gift from my parents, including the bedroom set, the dresser that's over there, and these nightstands. Yeah, that was just floating in this room, just trashed. We're hoping that the frame is salvageable. Thankfully it's made of quality wood, so it might survive. That's how high the water level was in here. There's my 36-inch LED TV. That's where the water line was in here. Yeah, like I said, about halfway up the windows. Actually more than that. Nah, halfway. Yeah, who gives a shit? It's all the same shit anyway. I'm hoping this TV survives, because, yeah, I don't have enough money to replace it. No contents coverage, nothing, so. Bad enough I lost the other one. Oh, look at this door. Nice. Looks nice and warped. How old is that door? 2 months? Oh, sorry. That's too old. Not allowed. Rip it out, replace it. Alright, I have to get out of here before I slip my wrist. Punching out.